大家又係腦博士話你知嘅時間啦。Dr. Brain tell you。科技咧真係好犀利。當我喺上世紀80年開始研究個腦嘅時候咧，好多嘢咧真係靠想像嘅。但係今日咧，我哋直情可以睇到個運作，或者係透過一啲科技去展示出嚟。今次同大家分享嗰個視頻咧，就俾大家睇睇我哋嘅腦入邊咧嗰個結構真係好神奇。每一粒細胞，每一粒嘅事情咧，有佢哋自己嗰個軌道，佢哋知道點樣行，點樣做嘅。真係好似中國嗰個高鐵系統，每一架火車仔咧知道點樣去。喺我哋嘅腦入邊咧都有好多呢啲火車仔。咁呢個視頻俾大家睇睇咧，就係我哋個腦裏邊係點樣傳送啲資料嘅，係非常之神奇。咁喺度咧，我想講一講咧，就係話我哋嘅腦咧係非常之有組織，擾亂我哋嘅腦嘅運作咧，一大部分原因係因為我哋嘅思維混亂。當我哋嘅思維混亂嘅時候咧，發啲信息俾個腦咧，佢就亂晒龍，咁繼而咧就會產生好多問題㗎啦。而家又邀請大家睇睇個視頻，睇睇我哋嘅腦入邊嘅運輸系統係幾咁神奇呢？
The human brain, one of our most complex organs, allows us to move, feel, think, and learn. Inside the brain, a dynamic network formed by billions of nerve cells processes information via electrical signals. Each neuron receives information from thousands of other neurons via multiple processes called dendrites and transmits information via a single axon. At specialized contact sites called synapses, electrical signals trigger the regulated release of neurotransmitters stored in synaptic vesicles. These chemical messengers bind and activate postsynaptic receptors, initiating a new electrical signal in the next cell. But how does a presynaptic cargo, for example, made in the cell body, end up at the right place within the cell? For this, neurons use active transport to sort specific synaptic proteins between the axon and dendrites. The microtubule cytoskeleton is important for this polarized cargo transport since it provides the roads for molecular motors. Microtubules, built up from tubulin subunits, are dynamic structures with a fast-growing and shrinking plus end and a more stable minus end. They have a unique organization in neurons. In the axon, microtubules have a uniform plus-end out orientation, whereas in dendrites, their polarity is mixed. Two types of motor protein, kinesins and dynein, transport cargoes along microtubules. Adapter proteins help to couple the correct cargo with the right motor protein. Kinesin and dynein move in opposite directions. Dynein moves towards the minus end, whereas most kinesins move towards the plus end. Therefore, the orientation of the microtubules helps to direct polarized transport. But many more levels of regulation exist to ensure proper sorting of cargoes. Various modifications of microtubules provide additional cues for motor proteins. Kinesins themselves are regulated by autoinhibition to prevent unnecessary activity. Attachment to a cargo or modifications of the motor protein releases autoinhibition and activates the kinesin. Multiple motor proteins can be attached to the same cargo, causing bidirectional movement. Inactivation or loss of a motor protein will cause the opposing motors to take the lead. Finally, reaching the right destination, the cargo is delivered, and in this case, released at the presynapse. Misregulation of neuronal trafficking caused by defects in the cytoskeleton organization, motor proteins, or regulators could all lead to abnormal neuronal transport, consequently resulting in synaptic dysfunction, neurodegeneration, and eventually brain diseases. Understanding the basic mechanisms of neuronal transport will ultimately help to understand and treat these neuronal diseases.
反思問題，腦博士問問你，知道你個腦係咁有組織，你而家會點樣對待你嘅腦先？多謝大家收聽，腦博士話你知。